unlocking the mystery of rolling in the deep. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in songs, conversations, or even read in literature: rolling in the deep. This expression is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English language mastery. So, let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, rolling in the deep, is a bit of a puzzle at first glance. It's not a common idiom you'd find in everyday English conversation, but it gained popularity through music and pop culture. At its core, the expression speaks to having deep, often turbulent emotions about someone or something. It suggests a profound experience or situation that is intense and all-encompassing. Rolling here can be thought of as moving or being engulfed in something powerful, like waves in the ocean. The deep refers to the depth of these feelings or situations, indicating they are not superficial but deeply rooted and significant. Interestingly, the phrase, rolling in the deep, was popularized by the British singer Adele's hit song of the same name. However, the expression itself draws from older nautical language, where, in the deep, could refer to being far out at sea, surrounded by the profound depths of the ocean. This maritime connection adds a layer of historical richness to the phrase, evoking images of sailors navigating through stormy, uncharted waters, which metaphorically parallels navigating through deep, emotional turmoil. While you might not use rolling in the deep in everyday conversation, understanding its meaning allows you to appreciate its use in music, literature, and film more deeply. It's a powerful way to describe situations that are intensely emotional, complex, and engulfing. For example, you might say, after the breakup, I was rolling in the deep for months, to express how deeply and profoundly affected you were by the end of a relationship. We hope this exploration of rolling in the deep has illuminated its meaning and origins for you. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture the depth of human emotions and experiences in just a few words. Keep an ear out for this phrase in songs, movies, and books, and see if you can spot its powerful use in conveying deep emotional states. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into fascinating phrases and words. Until next time,